Hi guys, I'm showing you this kitchen pan holder. So this is a stand that can hold your kitchen pans, and as you have a little lot of pans and you want to just put it individually, it will not take up that much space. So you can use this so that the space can be used really nice and more efficiently. So this is a pure metal, and you can see the quality itself is nice, based on the stand, and it's rust free with the coating itself. These are the racks that we will add, and you can see there are 5 racks. You can extend it to the height as well. So I will show you this assembly. All the parts, screws, manual, everything is provided, so it should be pretty straight. The tools are provided for the assembly. So this is the base, and the two stand will go on the side with the screws. Just to fast forward, I will just put in the things and show you the main points so that it will be easy. So with this tool you can tighten this up, and you can just add up all these stands. So 2 legs will go like this, then this top one goes on top of these 2 legs. So see, this 2 will go on top of it. And you can add this base rubbers, like for the safety for the floor or your countertop. Just press it inside so that it will go inside properly. There are 2 plastic knobs that you can put on the other side. So they provided the additional screws and additional rubber in case you need more, and just tighten this up with the supplied tools. This makes the things really easy, and you can see you have to just adjust it and put in all the screws. Now to add the shelf, you can put it anywhere you want based on the height you required. So just add in this on the corner and just push it down, and then it's all done. So this is the after assembly, this pen rack, and you can see this pen rack looks really nice with all these shelves and stuff. You can put in your pens, like I just put in here. So all the different sizes pens can be put, and it's pretty handy, and it's really good. Like if you just want to take it off and on like this, and yeah, it's pretty handy. So you can carry all these pans in this at once in a single space. Very helpful.